Hi and welcome back. It's like cluttering your phone's gallery by automatically saving every single photo and video you receive on your device. Well, if you're tired of unwanted media filling up your camera roll or taking up the precious storage space, this video is for you. In this hands-on guide, I'll show you how to easily turn off the automatic photo and video saving in Slack on both iOS and Android devices. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Slack app on your device, and then you have to hit your profile located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to choose the preferences option in the menu. After that, you have to head over to the audio, video, and images section and choose images and video option. And finally, you have to disable the toggle located right next to save media to camera roll, and you're all set. So that's how you can easily stop Slack from automatically saving images and videos to the camera roll or gallery on iOS and Android. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it in order to keep the clutter at a fair distance from the camera roll. And I'll catch you up in the next one.